In this video, we listed the 5 best drone camera that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Holystone HS720. The Holystone HS720 is a feature-rich drone designed for both beginner and adult users, boasting a sleek black design and weighing just 460 grams. It is equipped with a high-resolution 4K UHD camera featuring image stabilization that ensures clear and vibrant images and videos, supported by a 5 GHz FPV transmission and an adjustable lens for varied perspectives. The drone integrates GPS for intelligent flight modes including automatic return on low battery or lost signal, as well as customizable flight paths, allowing users to concentrate on capturing stunning footage. With 2 intelligent batteries offering a combined flight time of up to 52 minutes, advanced brushless motors for quieter operation, and a foldable design for portability, the HS720 is practical for outdoor adventures. User-friendly features such as multi-sensor hovering, one-key operation, and an intuitive controller make it accessible for beginners, while thoughtful design elements enhance the overall flying experience. A carrying case and various accessories, including extra propeller blades, are included, making it a complete package for aerial photography enthusiasts. Number 2. Potensic Atom SE Drone. The Potensic Atom SE is a lightweight and foldable drone designed for adults and beginner-friendly usage, weighing less than 249 g, which exempts it from FAA registration requirements. It boasts impressive features such as a 4K EIS camera with a Sony sensor for capturing 12MP photos and HD videos at 30 frames per second. With a flight time of up to 62 minutes thanks to 2 intelligent batteries, each providing 31 minutes of operation, users can enjoy more extended flying sessions. The drone's advanced PicSync 2.0 technology allows for a control range of up to 4 km with minimal latency for smooth video transmission. Additionally, the Atom SE integrates a Surgefly flight control system with 3 modes: video, normal, and sport, catering to various skill levels. Safety features like GPS auto-return and multiple flight modes enhance the flying experience, while its portable design and easy connectivity options make it suitable for on-the-go adventurers. Overall, the Potensic Atom SE stands out for its balance of performance, usability, and advanced technology, making it an excellent choice for aerial photography enthusiasts and newcomers alike. Number 3. Ruko U11S Drones. The Ruko U11S is a beginner-friendly drone designed for adults, featuring a sleek black design and weighing just 270 grams. It boasts impressive capabilities, including a 4K UHD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens for capturing high-quality photos and videos, and offers an extended flight time of up to 40 minutes with 2 rechargeable batteries. The drone is compliant with FAA regulations, ensuring safe operation, and includes user-friendly features such as speed adjustment, one-button return, and a transmitter that charges directly, eliminating the need for battery replacements. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, the U11S employs optical flow and GPS positioning for stable flight, making it a perfect choice for beginners and a convenient travel companion due to its portable, foldable design and included carrying case. Number 4. Ruko F11 PRO Drone. The Ruko F11 PRO is a versatile drone designed for both beginners and professionals, featuring a remarkable 6K camera and 4K video capture at 30 frames per second, making it ideal for creating personalized short films and capturing high-quality aerial photography. Equipped with a premium Sony lens and a 3-axis brushless gimbal, the drone ensures exceptional image quality and stability, allowing users to capture smooth footage even in challenging weather conditions. With a total flight time of 70 minutes thanks to its 2 rechargeable batteries, the F11 PRO also offers innovative features like night mode for nighttime photography and intelligent GPS flight modes such as Follow Me, Circle Fly, and Waypoint Fly, enhancing the flying experience. The drone comes with a complete set of accessories, including a carrying case and spare propellers, making it a comprehensive package for any aerial enthusiast. Number 5. Bwine F7GB2 Drone. The Bwine F7GB2 is a feature-rich drone designed for adult beginners, offering advanced capabilities such as FAA compliance with a built-in remote ID module for easy tracking, a high-resolution 4K UHD camera with an adjustable wide-angle lens, and a 3-axis gimbal for stable, clear imaging. It boasts a long flight time of up to 50 minutes with 2 intelligent batteries, level 6 wind resistance for steady flights, and low-noise brushless motors for quieter operation. The drone supports GPS-assisted features like auto-return, follow me, and waypoints to ensure safe and seamless navigation, even in case of signal loss or low battery. With a transmission range of up to 9,800 feet and 5x digital zoom, it provides an immersive aerial photography experience. Its lightweight design, 150 grams, and user-friendly controls make it an excellent choice for beginners seeking professional-grade performance.